Are you ready to take control over your financial future? Today we uncover why Bitcoin self-custody is the key to true financial freedom and why trusting big ETFs may be riskier than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest in cryptocurrency. Today we're diving into a critical topic, Bitcoin self-custody versus Bitcoin ETFs. I'll explain why self-custody is not only simpler than you may think, but also why it could save you from future financial risks. Let's start with the challenges. Many people invest in Bitcoin ETFs offered by big financial institutions like BlackRock, Vanguard, and Fidelity. These ETFs make it seem easier to invest in Bitcoin without the hassle of managing private keys. But there's a catch. When you invest in ETFs, you're not actually holding Bitcoin. The funds is. This means you're trusting these institutions with your Bitcoin, just like how you trust banks with your money. And trust me, if even kids and teenagers can manage their own wallets, so can you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. With Bitcoin self-custody, you hold your private keys, giving you complete control over your funds. No intermediaries, no third parties, just you and your Bitcoin. Educating yourself on self-custody is straightforward. Platforms like hardware wallet, mobile wallet, and even paper wallet make it accessible and secure. If you want to learn the difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges, check this video. Now, let me show you how easy it is. This is a hardware wallet. Setting it up takes less than 10 minutes. You generate your private key offline, and once set up, you can transfer your Bitcoin to this wallet. It's that simple. And the best part, you are the sole owner of your Bitcoin. No one else can access it or freeze it. So why is this so crucial? Big ETF funds managers like BlackRock and others won't tell you this, but your funds can be frozen or restricted if the government requests it. By self-custodying your Bitcoin, you protect yourself from such risks and ensure your financial sovereignty. Curious about how to open a decentralized wallet to buy crypto? Watch this video for a step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and let me know in the comment what do you think about Bitcoin self-custody. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful into the world of cryptocurrency and financial freedom. Take control of your future, one Bitcoin at a time, and see you in the next one.